Hi, this is Steve again with Boatshed, Texas. We're back down here on this 2002 Catalina 42 Mark II. We'll give you a walk around the interior of this boat and give you an idea of the floor plan and layout down below. This is the main salon. Nice horseshoe shaped seating area there to port. Good 6 people around there comfortably. From there is the galley area with a deep twin tub sink and 3 burner propane gas stove. From there is a good sized fridge freezer and looks like an ice maker up on the cabin top there. From there there's plenty more storage, galley storage, drawers and lockers. And then the stern below the cockpit is engine compartment aft, and battery boxes there with more storage. Across from the galley is the guest cabin with a nice size twin berth. Again, lots more storage, hanging and drawer storage there. Forward from there is the guest head with a wash hand basin, compact. Forward from there, again on the starboard side, is the nav station. A good complement of marine electronics there, again with more seating there to starboard. Forward from the nav station we have the master cabin, which has a good size queen bunk. Again, plenty of storage there. And also has an ensuite head and shower stall to port. Wash hand basin. And looking forward again towards the companionway. For more information on this boat, please contact boats@boatshedtexas.com. Thank you.